Here comes your pre-market summary for Friday, November 4th. It's non-farm payrolls day. We'll get October jobs data coming out at 8:30 this morning. Futures actually higher here pre-market going into this number, coming off yet another negative session on Thursday for all three U.S. markets. Here's how things look right now. 0.7 for both the S&P and the NASDAQ, trying to lead the way. In fact, 0.71 there for the NASDAQ. Tech stocks have been under pressure since we get this latest interest rate hike from the Fed going back to Wednesday. 0.5% there for the Dow, back to the upside. Futures here in Toronto also bouncing this morning, 1+% on this primarily. 3.5% to the upside for crude oil here in early trading. Some positivity at the bottom there for cryptocurrencies as well. Busy morning right across the board. That's how the overall market looks. 3 days in a row back to the downside following the Fed. We do end the day yesterday basically with a doji candle. Little change. Negative on the session, obviously, but little change. The range a lot smaller than the past couple of days. PayPal on watch. A ton of earnings to get through this morning. Shares are downside after cutting their forecast going forward for the remainder of this year. Coinbase on watch as well. Also downside. Yeah, net loss of $545 million in Q3 for Coin this morning. Look at that daily chart. Ugly for Coin. We'll have a look at Block, one of the positive ones on the morning. Jump in revenue has this thing gapping up this morning. So SQ doing all kinds of volume as well. DraftKings out this morning. There's not a lot of negative in this report, but shares are lower here in the pre-market for DKNG. We'll have a look at StarBucks as well. Decent report for them, bouncing back nicely after a couple of negative quarters. DoorDash, a huge move aftermarket to the upside. Very positive on blowout numbers right across the board for DoorDash, and all kinds of strength once again for U.S. listed China ADRs. Seems to be surrounding just reopening rumors coming out of the country and improving U.S.-China relations as well. So all of these up huge. XPEV's up 17% in the pre-market. We'll touch on those as well. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code. Enter your email address. Comes right to your inbox. Already out this morning. We'll see you live at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.